Today I want to have a giant comparison of 5 EIN only PNC business credit cards. Don't go anywhere if you love this kind of conversation. Welcome back, folks, to another edition of the Awesome Studio Kiwi Show. How are you today? I hope you are doing fantastic. I'm doing marvelous. If you are to ask me, if you are doing as great as I am, go grab a cup of coffee or tea or vodka and let's roll. In today's conversation, I want to do a giant comparison, a giant comparative analysis of 5 PNC business credit cards. So we have the PNC Cash Rewards Visa Signature Business. We have the PNC Visa Business, the PNC Points Visa Business, the PNC Travel Rewards Visa Business, and the PNC Business Options Visa Signature. Let's first start with the PNC Cash Rewards Visa Signature Business. So this is actually a great card, and this is a card that makes, if you are looking to earn unlimited cash back, this is just a great card. You can earn a $200 when you open and use a new PNC Cash Rewards Visa Signature Business Credit Card today. But to qualify for the offer, you need to make at least $3,000 in qualifying net purchases, and this is kind of cool. And they have an intro APR of 0% for the first 9 billing cycles following account opening on purchases. And then you have a variable APR that goes from 10.99% to 19.99% based on credit worthiness. What we love about this card is that there is no limits on the amount of cash you can earn. This is really great. No expiration on cash. You can redeem the cash back as a statement credit or deposit it into a PNC business checking or savings account. So you have flexibility here, folks, okay? What about the drawbacks? Well, you cannot redeem less than $50 at a time. You cannot deposit cash in a bank account that is not affiliated with the PNC bank, okay? They want you to keep the cash with them. You cannot redeem rewards for non-cash purchases such as gift cards, and you must forfeit rewards if you miss a payment by more than 60 days. So be very careful with this card, okay? And one thing I also want to say here is that the cash advances APR 21.99%. The penalty APR 28.99%, okay? And you do have balance transfer fees, so you have either $5 or 3% of the amount of each balance transfer, whichever is greater. And for cash advances, it's either $10 or 4% of the amount of each cash advance, whichever is greater, and with the $75 maximum. And one thing I also want to say is that overall, when you think about this card, the card has business-friendly benefits, okay? You have unlimited cash back. The APR can be improved in our view. We love the fact that we love the fact that you can do a lot of stuff with this card, okay? If you are trying to spend at least $1,000 a month, you can even get a lot of benefits from this card, okay? And in terms of features and benefits here, you earn 1.5% cashback on net purchases. You can use the account view to manage employee purchases and to monitor cash flow. You can view your PNC business credit card spending by business category. This is really great, especially during tax time. During tax season, you can manage business risk, okay? And the card also comes with a constellation of travel benefits. So this is just wonderful. I want to talk to you now about the second credit card, the second business credit card, the PNC Visa Business, folks. So here is a card that basically gives you a lot of flexibility. So they have an intro APR of 0% for the first 13 billing cycles following account opening on balance transfers when the balance is transferred within the first 90 days following account opening. Then you have a variable APR that goes from 9.99% to 19.99% based on your credit worthiness. There's no annual fee. This is really good, okay? And the cash advance APR 21.99%. So one thing you need to understand here is that this is the kind of card that you want to have if you want to take care of business as usual. Okay, this is a no-frills business credit card, and you can use it based on your operating spending. And here are, in our view, the best features, the pros. Potentially low APR, so 0% for 13 billing cycles. You also have the fact that this is a card that has a lot of great potential in terms of expenses monitoring, employee balance tracking, okay? And here are a few things we don't like. We do not like the fact that this card has no reward program. There is actually no sign-up bonus, okay? And they do have a foreign transaction fee. So a 3% foreign transaction fee is charged for purchases made abroad when using this PNC card, okay? So this is not really interesting. And in terms of the benefits, you're able to keep your personal and business purchases separate. You can choose from a variety of online tools to manage your business credit card activity. We love that. You can consolidate multiple billing dates from your creditors by transferring the balances to your PNC business credit card and scheduling one payment a month. This is really good also. And we love the fact that this card has extended warranty protection, purchase security, overdraft protection if you link your card to a PNC business checking account, and you have online account management tools. And we love the fact that you can use this card to actually manage payment practices. You can really set individual spending limits for employee cards, okay? And they also have a cool system. It's called the Cash Flow Insights that allows you to analyze your expenditures. And this tool will also automatically assign business categories to your posted business credit card transactions. So this is really great. So overall, we also love the fact that with this card, you can manage business risk. Okay, you can set up your PNC business credit card as overdraft protection for your PNC checking accounts to help ensure that you have funding when needed. Okay, wonderful. The third credit card I want to review in today's conversation, we have the PNC Points Visa Business. And this is a card that we love also, and the card has no annual fee. And the APR goes from 10.99 to 19.99%, okay? And first of all, they have an intro APR for the first 9 billing cycles following account opening on balances and on balance transfers and purchases when the balance is transferred within the first 3 months following account openings, okay? And the card is kind of cool. The thing you need to remember with this card is that this is a rewards card, and here is a rewards card that offers you 5 points per dollar on purchases in all spending categories. We love the fact that there is no limits here. There's no restriction here, okay? There are no limits to the amount of points you can earn, and you can combine your personal and business points. And this is a plus here. You can choose to allow your employees to accumulate points individually or at the company level, and there is no annual fee. And the card offers a 0% intro APR for 9 billing cycles on purchases and any balance transfers. The only thing is that they charge a fee on the balance transfers, and right now it's either $5 or 3% of the amount of each balance transfer, whichever is greater. And but other than that, this is a great card, and we love the fact that this card actually has you can set individual spending limits for employee cards. You can check your current balance and view pending transactions online. And here are other PNC Points Visa business credit card benefits. You have purchase protection. You have extended warranty coverage. You have overdraft protection if you link your card to a PNC business checking accounts. So this is kind of cool. And we also love the fact that you are able to, you don't have to keep track of any spending categories. This is really good. No limits to the amount of points you can earn. You have rewards options that include merchandise, gift cards, travel, and cashback. Really cool. You have up to allow your employees to enjoy points individually or aggregate rewards at the company level. This is really good. And so overall, here is a great card. Okay, it's a great card. You can check your current balance and view pending transactions online. You do have a set of financial reporting tools that are embedded into this card. So this is just great. And one thing I also want to say before ending this review here is that this is a card that constantly is moving with you, is changing, and is adapting to your business situation and providing the kind of intel you need to better manage your expenses. Let me talk to you about the PNC Travel Rewards Visa Business. Okay, here's another wonderful card, and here we are basically talking about an APR that goes from 10.99 to 19.99%, and you have double miles on your first $2,500 in eligible net purchases. The card has no annual fee, okay, and there are no foreign transaction fees. So this is basically a business travel rewards credit card. Think about it that way, Okay, so you can earn 2 miles per dollar on the first $2,500 in purchases and 1 mile per dollar on all purchases after that. And so benefits include extended warranty coverage and purchase protection against theft and damage. So here are the pros. You have rewards. So the travel rewards earns you 2 miles per dollar. I just said that. And you have cardholder benefits, and you have no annual fee. What about the cons? There is no sign-up bonus. Okay, so though the PNC Travel Rewards Visa Business Credit Card earns double miles on the first $2,500 in purchases, there is no sign-up bonus. Okay, so something to really think about. And let me give you an example. And if you were to compare this with other cars, guess what? Other cars may earn 5,000 miles when you make $500 in purchases within the first 3 months. And you also have minimal bonus rewards, okay? And there's no introductory APR, something that they really need to fix. But that's what it is. So overall, you have a great card that could be improved, that's for sure. And I want to quickly talk to you about the PNC Travel Rewards Visa Business Credit Card benefits that you need to be aware of. The card has no foreign transaction fee. We love that. It has extended warranty coverage, and it also has purchase security. This is really good. This is really good because you're able to travel with peace of mind and knowing that you are being taken care of. And the card also has a constellation of other tools and modules. You're able to use account view within PNC to view, to manage employee purchases and to monitor cash flow, right? It's all about monitoring cash flow. And what's really good with this module is that you can reconcile the data that you have in your PNC business credit card account. You can reconcile that data with your accounting statements, your financial reports. I'll be right back right after this. Don't go anywhere. Welcome back, folks, to another section of the Awesome Sweetie Kiwi Show. We're also having a conversation about, we are actually comparing and contrasting 5 PNC business credit cards. And I want to talk to you about the 5th one. So we have the PNC Business Options Visa Signature. Here is a great one. But this card has an annual fee of $500, right? And the APR ranges from 10.99 to 16.99% variable. And this is a great business rewards credit card. You can choose among 3 rewards options. You have cash rebates, PNC points, and travel rewards. So if you apply for the PNC Business Options Visa Signature credit card and by a certain date, and you agree to spend $25,000 in qualifying purchases during the first 3 billing cycles following account opening, you will earn a $750 statement credit. And this card offers a pay in full option with a spending limit of up to $250,000 or a revolve option with a spending limit of up to $50,000. Okay, so you have 2 options here. So if you have a charge option, you can go all the way to $250,000. So you have to pay the full balance every month. But if you want to have a revolve option, then you will be capped at $50,000. Okay, and cardholder benefits include an auto rental collision damage waiver. You have roadside assistance. You have purchase security, extended warranty protection, lost luggage reimbursement, emergency card replacement, emergency cash disbursement, travel accident insurance, travel and emergency assistance services, and concierge service. Okay, so those are really good. And what are the best features in our view when you think about the PNC Business Options the PNC Business Options Visa Signature? So we have the rewards. We love the rewards. Okay, so if you if you are on the revolve option with cash rewards, you will earn 1.5% cash back. If you are on the pay in full option with cash rewards, you will earn 1% cash back. Okay, with the PNC points program, you will earn 5 points per dollar on all purchases. If you choose travel rewards, you will earn 1 mile per dollar on all purchases. Okay, you do have a sign-up bonus. If you sign up by a certain date, you can earn a $750 statement credit. There's no introductory APR and no annual fee. So we really love that. And in terms of, you can see on the screen that the map, so the geography that PNC covers. So this is actually good for a lot of businesses on the East Coast, and I would say also it really depends. You don't have to be geographically operating from where KeyBank is operating from in terms of states coverage, but you just need to have a multi-product relationship with them, either at the personal level or at the business level. And this could be both also, okay? And one thing I want to say before ending this review is that you want to pay attention to the benefits: the auto rental collision damage waiver, the roadside dispatch, the purchase security, extended warranty protection. Those are important because when you need them, you really want them to be there. And PNC does a great job at making those available to you. Let's have a quick overview of PNC Bank business credit cards. And it's important to understand that if you are interested in any of those 5 credit cards, you can apply online, provided that you have an account with the bank already. In other words, you need to have a checking account or a savings account with the bank to be able to apply online, okay? You can also apply by phone. So the number is 1-855-762-2365. Monday through Friday, they're available 8 a.m. through 6 p.m. Eastern, and Saturday 9 a.m. through 3 p.m. Eastern. You can also apply in person at a branch, and this is our preferred method on this show, so that you have the opportunity to speak to a live person. You want to speak to a human, not a robot, not an algorithm, okay? And you can also apply offline through a printable application to mail or fax. So PNC is really giving you a lot of options when it comes to applying for their loans, okay? Not the loans, the business credit cards, not the loan. And you will need to have company tax ID. You will need to have a company annual revenue. They want you to have at least $120,000 a year in gross revenue, minimum. You will need to have your social security number, your monthly housing payment, and gross annual income. So this is actually, this application, you can choose to do it with EIN or without EIN. So if you are doing it without EIN, then you're going to have to provide your personal information. But if you're doing it with EIN, then you want to focus on the business, okay? And that in that case, they're not going to ask you for your personal information. So you can see on the screen here, we have, I'm going to show you a few snapshots of a typical PNC business credit card application. So you can see the first screenshot. So this applies to the Visa business card, but this is similar to all PNC business credit cards. So here's the first screenshot. The second screenshot. Okay, the third screenshot, you can see here the information that they actually ask you to provide for a business credit card application. A fourth screenshot, I'm just still showing you what it looks like. A fifth screenshot, screenshot number 6. So this is actually the end. Okay, so to learn more about this, you need to contact KeyBank directly. So after analyzing those 5 business credit cards, this is about decision time, folks. We need to decide now. So we have a PNC, not KeyBank though, PNC, PNC Cash Rewards Visa Signature Business versus PNC Visa Business versus PNC Points Visa Business versus PNC Travel Rewards Visa Business versus PNC Business Options Visa Signature. Which one do you have to pick? Talk to me about it. Well, I'll give you an answer really quick. The answer depends on you. It depends on your business. What is your financial situation right now? I want you to talk to me about that. Those are important. Yeah. What are the desired perks that you're looking for? And do you want special needs in terms of employee expenditure monitoring? Talk to me about those. Because PNC PNC has a constellation of modules and features that allow you to monitor employee expenditure. Are you looking for financial reporting and analysis tools that come from your PNC bank credit card, business credit card usage? So which is more important to you? You need to pay attention to what's important to you. Overall, based on our analysis, if you are interested in having a lower interest rate business credit card, you want to go with the PNC Visa Business. If you want to earn rewards, then you want to go for the PNC Points Visa Business, Travel Rewards Visa Business, PNC's Travel Rewards Visa Business, the Cash Rewards Visa Signature Business. Okay, those are really great. Okay, and one thing you also need to pay attention to is that how much do you plan to spend each month on your business credit card? If you want to spend less than $10,000, then you want to think about the PNC Points Visa Business, the PNC Travel Rewards Visa Business, the PNC Cash Rewards Visa Business. Okay, so those are the options. But if you're planning on spending more than $20,000, you definitely want to choose the PNC Business Options Visa Signature. This is where all the juice is in terms of rewards, in terms of the perks. And what type of rewards are most appealing to you? If you want to earn PNC points redeemable for merchandise, gift cards, and travel, then go for the PNC Points Visa Business. If you want to earn travel rewards redeemable for flights, hotels, auto rentals, or cruises, go for the PNC Travel Rewards Visa Business. If you want to earn cash rewards, go for the PNC Cash Rewards Visa Signature Business. All right, folks, after analyzing those 5 business credit cards from PNC Bank, our favorite is the PNC Visa Business. We believe it's more complete. It offers a more diverse set of benefits. So PNC Visa Business 10/10, PNC Business Options Visa Signature 9.5/10, PNC Points Visa Business 9.5/10, PNC Cash Rewards Visa Signature Business 9/10, PNC Travel Rewards Visa Business 9/10. Thank you so much for your attention, folks. I will speak to you another time, but until then, remember, stay marvelous.